Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Myles Auto Care and Transmissions channel. If you missed our last video, we went over preventative maintenance, covering fluid beyond just oil and brake fluid. Go check it out. Today, we're continuing our focus on keeping your vehicle running its best. We're talking about that sticker on your windshield, the annual PA state inspection. It's more than just a requirement. It's crucial for preventative maintenance and essential for your safety. Now, we know that if you're new to Pennsylvania or a new driver, this might be new to you. Many other states have different rules. Some require inspections every 2 years, and some have no inspection requirements at all. But here in PA, an annual inspection is a firm requirement, and that's by design. Think of it as a proactive step to keep everyone safer on the road. I'm here to answer some common questions about what it involves.
So I know that I need a PA state inspection every year, but what exactly do you check during the inspection?
That's a great question. In Pennsylvania, a registered vehicle has to pass both an annual safety inspection and in most areas, an emissions inspection. We check a lot of things. This includes your brakes, lights, tires, steering, and suspension. We also inspect your exhaust system to make sure it's not leaking. Each of these checks is designed to make sure that your vehicle meets a minimum standard for safe operation.
That makes sense, but why are these inspections so important?
The inspection process offers 3 main benefits. First, it ensures your car is roadworthy, which enhances safety and helps prevent accidents. Second, the emissions testing helps protect the environment. And third, and this is where preventative maintenance really shines, it saves you money. The inspection acts as an early warning system, catching minor issues like worn brake pads or developing suspension problem before they turn into a much larger and more expensive auto repair.
That's good to know. But what happens if my car fails?
We're going to ask Brad to go into a little bit more detail on this.
Great question. Hi, my name is Brad from Myles. If your car is in with us for a Pennsylvania safety and emissions inspection and unfortunately does not pass inspection at that time, the repairs needed will be notated for you on your work order, also in our vehicle health report, and a proper estimate will be given to you for the repairs you needed to either pass your emissions or safety inspection.
Thanks, Brad. Our goal is to find any issues and get you back on the road safely.
Feel free to leave.
Yeah. Goodbye.
So what kind of documents do I need to bring with me, and can I get my inspection done early if I'm going to be out of town?
You'll need your valid vehicle registration, proof of insurance, and your driver's license. And yes, you can get your inspection done up to 90 days before its expiration date without losing your original expiration month. So planning ahead is easy.
Are there any vehicles that are exempt from PA state inspection?
Yes, there are some exemptions. For example, some antique cars, as well as new vehicles, for their very first inspection, may have different requirements. But for most cars on the road, the annual inspection is a requirement.
So just so I'm understanding, a PA state inspection is about protecting my safety, my car, and my wallet, right?
Exactly. It's a vital tool for proactive preventative maintenance. It's not just a formality, it's an opportunity to ensure your vehicle is safe, reliable, and won't lead to a surprise expensive car repair down the line. At Myles Auto Care and Transmissions, we are your trusted local experts for thorough and honest PA state inspections. Our certified technicians adhere to all regulations, providing transparent communication so you know exactly what your vehicle needs. If you're due for inspection or need expert automotive service, visit one of your nearest Myles Auto Care and Transmissions. We have 4 convenient Berks County locations in Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, and Wyomissing. Our team is always here to help you keep your car road ready. Thanks for watching.